That's right, guys. It doesn't get much easier than that. I told you we're going to have 154 days of boring price action after the halving, and that's exactly what is happening right now. As you can see, I'm still in Singapore. I was at Token 2049, as you have seen on my channel, right? And I'm still here because tomorrow is another event that I definitely want to join. We have Raval Navikant, we have Vitalik, and more people joining that event. In any case, I want to remind you to not mess up this next leg up, because many people are looking in the wrong direction and they think it's over. They think this cycle is different. They think that this time we're going to have diminishing returns and it's not really interesting to be in Bitcoin. But guys, listen, let me show you the chart, okay? So first of all, I want to remind you that I told you all of this stuff 4 months ago, right? Here, the video was called Boring Leads to Massive Bull Market. Yes, not many people are watching it because my channel is still small, but listen guys, I told you exactly what will happen. And then I made another video here, Bull Market Over, 154-day time count, and I reminded you that this is an accumulation zone, right? And so if we go to the chart, you can see exactly what is actually happening here. So this is the weekly chart, but the accumulation zone is this blue area here, right? So you can see on the left side, the blue line on the left side is the start, and the start was the Bitcoin halving, right? And 154 days after that, we usually have the next leg up, and I can show you again, if you didn't watch the other videos, how that played out in the past, because here you can see exactly that 154 days after that we started having the next run. Okay, like it's quite simple, guys. Like, don't make it more complicated than it is. Of course you need to have a sell signal as well and all this stuff, but then let's go to the previous bull market as well. You can see here that in the previous bull market to that was 2016, 2017, we also had 154 days, which actually after which you could have a nice entry here and ride the whole thing up to the upside. I mean, it's very simple, guys, okay? It's not like rocket science. You just need to have a strategy. And I'm an engineer. I love to use automation to buy and sell when it makes sense, not when I think it's awesome, right? So let me show you what my strategy is doing. And for that, I have to go to the daily chart because I trade only on the daily, right? And so let's have this chart look nice and pretty for you guys here. So as you can see here, we have a buy signal, right? The buy signal is this blue arrow exactly here, right? And this has happened even before the time count, because I don't care about the time count. It's just for me to have peace of mind, right? To understand that I'm still doing the right thing. But my strategy is already in profit, and I didn't have to do anything because actually I was traveling, I was busy and everything, and it was buying, and now it's like 8.5% in profit. I mean, that's nothing, right? But the market will move higher up because of what I just told you. We also have the election. We had already rate cuts, which are playing out bullish because the economy looks to be strong enough to not fall into a recession. So guys, this is quite simple to play out, okay? Like, if you want to do a similar thing, then you have to simply, first of all, subscribe to this channel, because I'm sharing with you strategies that you can use to do exactly the same thing as I do. I mean, I'm not sharing my personal strategies, right? But I'm sharing strategies that are doing pretty much the same thing, and it doesn't cost you anything. And I also show you how to automatically set it up so that it buys and sells for you. Fully automatic, right? You can do exactly the same as I do with the same idea, right? That it buys and sells automatically. Keep in mind, I'm not trading on the short term. For me, it's long term only, trend following, right? So there is a strategy, and I have to turn the phone around for that to turn it on, this strategy. The strategy is called Gaussian channel strategy, and you might know it from a couple of my other videos, but if you're new around here, this strategy, and sadly on the phone I cannot show you the profit that this made over time because it doesn't show on TradingView, but this strategy made over 2,000% profit roughly on Bitcoin since 2018. So the question is, why don't you use this strategy? If you made less money than that, then you should be using this strategy, right? Because it's better than you, right? So I'm showing you on my channel how to use this strategy, how to automate it, and how to basically have peace of mind that it's going to happen. It's going to buy and sell whenever it's a good time, not when we have the feeling that it's a good time, okay? Forget feelings, use mathematics, use strategies. I'm coming to you from everywhere I am, as you can see right now, but next week I will be back in my studio. I will be making more videos about trade automation, because that is actually a game changer. Not telling you that it might go up, it might go down. That is fully useless, okay? I'm here to tell you when to buy, when to sell based on mathematics, and not financial advice, but you can use the strategy to do exactly the same. You don't need me. Once you know what I know, you don't need me. You can do it yourself forever, okay? So having said all of that, guys, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. This is the next video you should watch. Bye-bye.